French class at IA is a place where students go beyond vocabulary. It becomes a space where they learn the culture behind the language.
Cuisine is one of those entry points. We talk about culture as maybe an iceberg, and it's maybe only the tip of the iceberg, but it's something that we all share, that we all enjoy.
Every year, the French Honor Society organizes a baking competition to celebrate French cuisine made and shared by students.
This culinary competition is just one small way to try and highlight the work of our students in language at IA East. Beyond just a learning community, we're an actual French-speaking community. This competition is one way to hopefully raise awareness about our club and about our students. Our students spend 4 years studying the same world language, and they come away with a good level of fluency.
This baking competition allows students to explore different French cultures from around the world and connect it to themselves.
By exploring, foods of the French-speaking world, we might connect to different places and even just different ingredients that remind us or bring us back to something familiar.
In my personal experience, I was able to explore Moroccan culture by making an orange puree to go along with my French macarons. And I was able to blend two unique cultures of the Francophone world into one and explore how the blend of these cultures works in relation to the languages.
We're hoping that this event helps to build inclusivity, also just with the identities we bring to the classroom on a day-to-day basis.
When I was first researching, I wanted to make something that was Francophone but not from France, and what I stumbled upon was a Louisianan dish, beignets, which you may or may not have heard of, and it was really good. It's something that I would want to make again. And this year I went back to France with my baguettes, and they were also really good. There's just so much of a variety of things that represent so many different cultures that are all amazing, and I think that's such a unique thing that our French baking competition represents.
This competition was all about trying to create a sense of community in our school and within our smaller language classroom, and hopefully to bring that even further out. World language is important to support the diversity that's already there in our community. We have a very multilingual international community here in Troy. We're so fortunate to have that. And by studying world languages, we have a chance to make even further connections to get to know others well.
At IA East, world language is a big part of our journey. Through this baking competition, French became more real, inclusive, and connected to our school community.